Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to continue the topic about the Moz SEO software, and it is going to be part 2. Now in the last video we have seen how we can make an use of the Moz SEO tool to check the domain authority, and in the last video in the part 1 we have covered domain authority, linking root domains, ranking keywords and then spam score. And now in the part 2 in this video we are going to cover these two elements. On the left side we can see top pages by links, and on the right side we can see top linking domains. And first I want to cover this particular element, top pages by links. What does it mean? Exactly, here we can see the Amazon's most important pages based on the page authority. Now in this box here we can see page URL, and on the right side we can see page authority. When it comes to the page URL, these are the URLs of Amazon specific pages that receives the most backlinks. For example, Amazon.com has the highest page authority, which is 93. And when it comes to the page authority is a score. We know, right? It will be from 1 to 100, and it will exactly tell us how well a specific page is likely to rank on search engines. The higher the PA, the stronger the page in terms of backlinks and relevance. And for example, let's see aws.amazon.com. It has a page authority of 89, which means it is also considered as a highly authoritative page. Now for our website Click and Capture Studio, maybe we do have services, and here we do have the pricing packages, right? Imagine that the pricing packages page has a high page authority, which means it will rank higher for relevant searches like wedding photography Hyderabad. I hope you clearly understand what exactly that we mean by top pages by links. And now I want to talk about top linking domains. And now whatever the list that we are seeing right here, these lists will give us the information about the most authoritative websites which links to Amazon. Now here we can see domain on the left side and then the domain authority on the right side. When it comes to the domain, these are the websites that provides backlinks to the Amazon. For example, google.com, youtube.com, and these both websites have links to the Amazon. And the same time on the right side we do have the domain authority. Also we know, right, the domain authority scores will rank from 1 to 100, and it will exactly tell us how well a domain will rank in search engines. And all the listed domains here having high domain authorities like google.com, linkedin.com, which have the domain authority 99 and 100. Now when it comes to the Click and Capture Studio, imagine that there are sites like Pinterest where we can upload the images, where we can upload the infographic images. And if we have the backlinks from a high domain authority website like Pinterest to Click and Capture Studio, our website will rank higher and the traffic will improve significantly. And now I want to let you know why these two metrics really matter. Now when it comes to the top pages by links, it will exactly show us which of our page needs more focus to attract the backlinks. And when it comes to the top linking domains, it will give us the highlights, the quality of websites linking to our domain. Quality matters more than quantity in SEO, and you have to keep that in mind. If you really find this video helpful, I want you to continue watching all my digital marketing classes, and I want you to continue watching part 3 of this particular Moz SEO tool. And also if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing, where I have did 100+ videos which will be short and simple. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.